Hello boys and girls, welcome to this presentation. In this presentation we're going to talk about Unit 2.4, Substituting and Solving Equations and Expressions. In question 2 we're going to talk about question C here. Question C, we have 8x plus 3 equals 3x plus 33. First, what is it? Is it an expression or an equation? Very good. It's an equation because it has an equal sign. This is the main difference between expressions and equations. Equations have equal signs, but expressions don't. So all of these are equations. Now, let's talk about how do we answer this question. In this question, we have two variables, or it's the same variable but on different sides. We have 8x and 3x, so we call this a coefficient, and this one is the variable, and the number alone we call it constant. Very good. So we have coefficient, variable, and constant. We have to know these words or keywords. Now, how do we answer a question like that? We need to put the variable on a side and the other numbers on the other side. Now let's do it together. Now because we have an equal sign, so we have two sides. So we're going to move the numbers to this side and the variables to this side. Let's start with moving numbers. We have plus 3 here, so we're going to move it to this side. It's going to be, very good, negative 3. So we have, let's write it together here. 8x equals 3x plus 3, and because this is plus 3, when we move it to the other side it's gonna be, very good, it's gonna be negative 3. Good job. Now here we have 33 minus 3. It's gonna be, very good, 30. Let's put it here so we can have space. Very good. Now we answered the numbers together. Now let's move the variable, this variable, to this side. Now when you move this variable to this side, you're going to change the sign. What is the sign of this variable? Oh, very good. It's plus. So when you move it, it's going to be negative. Very good. Now we have 8x minus 3x equals 30. Now 8x minus 3x, because we have the same variable here and the same power, we can add them or subtract them from each other. Now here we have 8 minus 3. So it's going to be, very good, 5x. Good job. Equals 30. Now, with this 5x, we have what between them? Very good. We have multiplied. So we want to move the 5, the coefficient, to the other side. Because it's multiplied by the x, when you move it to the other side, you're going to divide by it. Very good. So it's going to be 30 divided 5, like this. Let's make it with the same color. Yes, divide. Let's make it 30 divide 5. So, and we remove this 5 because we moved it to this side. Now, x equals what? 30 divide 5. What's 30 divide 5? Very good, it's 6. So x equals 6. This is the answer of this equation. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.